Let's now focus on the state of Tamil Nadu. From early this morning, you've had all the biggest netas, all of them who are in the poll fray casting their vote. Images now coming in of Dayanidhi Maran, remember, who is fighting from Chennai Central, also casting his vote. He's going to be hoping on ensuring that he seals another resounding win. One of those netas was held on to Chennai Central. There's a reason that Chennai is referred to as DMK Nadu. It's because the DMK in 2019 won Chennai South, Chennai Central and Chennai North. This time around in Chennai Central, Dayanidhi Maran is facing off against the DMDK and the BJP. The AIADMK knows this to be a bastion of the DMK, so they've handed over the seat to the DMDK. Let me quickly hand this over to Pramod Madhav for those updates. Pramod, Dayanidhi Maran there casting his vote. He's had a campaign that's been controversial, that's created quite a splash. He's going to be counting on a repeat of 2019.
Right, I don't think we have Pramod with us. We're going to cut across. But, you know, Akshita, that you bring in the controversial part of his campaign because, you know, he's the one and, you know, in time, you don't know if it's going to come back and bite him, is his comment on Anna Malai, where he called Anna Malai a joker. You know, one can possibly compare it to in 2014, Priyanka Gandhi calling Smriti Irani, where asking who's Smriti Irani, about Smriti Irani, she said, Smriti who? And guess what's happened in 2019? She was told who Smriti Irani was. And similarly, you had Dayanidhi Maran, who when approached on Anna Malai, the BJP president in Tamil Nadu, asking him about his, campaign, Dayanidhi Maran turned around and said that joker. Will it come back to bite him? Because in politics, anything is possible.
Very true. And, you know, we've seen quite a bit of controversy playing out on there with the Prime Minister himself for one of the campaigns and referring to it. Left of your screens are pictures also of actor Dhanush. But let's talk about Chennai Central right now. One of those seats really that the DMK will be hoping to hold on to.